Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. Start off by removing the top cutlery drawer, also known as a vario drawer. There's a side support on either side that connects to the rails. Both side supports and the wire framing will need to be removed and installed on the new cutlery drawer. To remove the side supports, simply unclip by pulling up and away. To remove the metal wire, pull down and away from the drawer. This can be stiff, so take your time. Unpackage your new dishwasher cutlery drawer. Line up the wire frame with the new cutlery drawer as shown. Then push down and clip into place. Go round the four sides and make sure everything is tightly secured. Now attach your side supports. They're labelled L1 means left side and R1 means right side. Line up the slot on the side support with the drawer frame, then click firmly into place. Attach the cutlery drawer by lining up the side supports with the rails. Give it a test to make sure it slides in and out smoothly. And that's it, your new dishwasher cutlery tray is all set to go.